three things that can make any man to be happy. What are these three things that can make any man to be happy? Maybe he is sad, unhappy, always unhappy. There are things that will cause it. So in today's video, I am going to share with you three things that you can do to make him happy automatically. No matter the situation, he must be happy. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. If you care about this kind of videos or you want to know more about men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and to support my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. What are the three things that can make any man happy automatically? These three things are tested and trusted. Believe me, just apply them. If you're a good woman who cares about her husband or about her boyfriend, you are on the right channel. Just do these three things and you will see him. He will change for good. What are these three things? The three things are: number one, credit bank alerts. Yes, credit bank alerts can solve this problem. If you can transfer a huge amount of money into his account when he is angry or when he is unhappy, he will become automatically happy with this credit bank alert. It works. It is tested and trusted. Believe me. Maybe he needs money to support his business, or he needs money to solve some family issues, and there's no way he can get it. And maybe he is a man who cannot disclose his feelings or disclose his demand towards you. He is ashamed of telling you his financial status. So just transfer a huge amount of money into his account and you will see that sadness will turn to happiness. Number two is for you to present his hobby. What do I mean by hobby? Hobby is something that someone likes especially, something patient. Present him with his hobby. Maybe he is the type that like watching football, wrestling, or other events or entertainment. Just present his hobby and you will see him. He will become automatically happy. The third thing or the final thing that you will do to make him happy, no matter the situation or the level of his anger, is sex. Just give it to him. Take him inside indirectly and seduce him. Every man likes it. Every man likes a woman that cares about their emotion or their feelings. Once you can do this, he must become happy, even if he has been sad for so many days or a couple of weeks. Once you can do these three things, he must be happy. I hope you like this video and you really enjoy the video. Just practice it and apply it. It works. It is a perfect strategy to make any man to be happy automatically. Tested and trusted. So put down your comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video. If you get value from this video, comment on this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Like and share it to your friends and family. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.